In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an Excel sheet to Google Drive and make it editable. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Google Drive website. If you're not already signed into your Google account, go ahead and do that now. Just enter your credentials and you'll be all set. Once you're in Google Drive, let's move on to uploading your Excel file. In the upper left corner of the screen, you'll see a button labeled New with a little plus sign next to it. Go ahead and click that. A drop-down menu will appear and you'll want to select File Upload. Now, a file navigation window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer. Find and select the Excel file you'd like to upload. After selecting the file, click on the Open button. Just like that, you'll see a progress bar appear in the bottom right corner of your screen, showing you that the upload is in progress. Once the upload is complete, look for the new file in your drive. You'll recognize it by its green Excel icon. Go ahead and double-click on that file to open a preview. This is where the magic happens. At the top of the preview screen, you'll see an option that says Open with Google Sheets. Click on that. This step converts your Excel file into a format that you can easily edit using Google Sheets. Now that you've opened the file in Google Sheets, congratulations! Your document is now fully editable. One of the great features of Google Sheets is that all your changes will be saved automatically as you go along. You don't have to worry about hitting save every few minutes, which is quite a relief. But wait, there's more. If you want to collaborate with others, this is a fantastic opportunity to do so. In the top right corner, you'll see a Share button. Go ahead and click on that. A new window will pop up, allowing you to enter the email addresses of your colleagues or friends with whom you want to share the document. Make sure to set their permissions before sending the invite. You'll see options like Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. If you want them to be able to make changes, be sure to select Editor. Once you've entered the email addresses and set the permissions, just click Send, and they'll receive an invitation to collaborate on your document. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded your Excel sheet to Google Drive, converted it to Google Sheets, and made it editable. You can easily share your work and collaborate in real time, which makes teamwork a breeze. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this simple process as helpful as I do. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Happy collaborating!